Movie breaking up on the window manjamono because we in this video the very important. Go here about na Canada because now 2 or 3 days ago NJ Makeup one of the according to people alleged can use alleged because can they na problem because when you are talking to the public in a situation that is very sensitive like Biafra and when some tuning kuya NJ Makeup resurfaced with an exclusive online video. So video generated with a lot of criticism and a lot of things. And a lot of imagomi jele ha, majorovika ha, mandewana with 10 million na about kaiwe amount on their head. Not a god those people reacted to it. We're not just saying Nigerian government failed them. They were crying so bitterly in some of their videos that Nigerian government failed them, that they made them to believe na those people probably na ega hawete na somebody willgia mago nje Makeup na onya wepota before nje Makeup apota kuoku actually make video already to show that na he knows that these guys are alive. Omego video maka Gentle the Yahoo omego video makia to show that those people are alive now. Again, and take on maka those things na Nigeria and why EJ treated and they badly in Nigeria because na uno snowri ulu ndi Igbo balono or ndi Igbo abara ulu biko kabakwana na arụ happen ndi Igbo aka agabalo onwe ha mana one thing na dey against is because na this whole struggle is that the struggle I na-achọ n'ọnụ is different from the struggle I actually more BI. Understand what I'm saying? The struggle I actually know and which we ultimately desire is different from the struggle that some people know be. It takes the brave hearted to understand why I said this thing. So gezenti kuno ni one na mukeko. Kodekwan.
Alright, I want to speak on this video. This video enough whereby I know many of you might have been watched this video. Video got viral. A lot of people I watched this video, but I want to speak on this video. Why you choose kuku basa video so that those of you that believe Nigerian government once again can stop you believe Nigerian government. That is why I want to speak on this video again. You know, I told you last video I did, I said I've not seen them, making any video. But after yesterday, I saw this video. I started to speak on this video today. And mostly people are making this video because of these people. You see, this Nkanwana about Jovika, Ukochukwaloloana. This man about Jovika, Ukochukwaloloana. Ikenguluago, Udene. And rest of them that is rejoicing, that thinking they are working with the Nigerian government. You people have failed. And another one is that I could remember the last video of the Jovika. I watched your video when you said Nande Kanu before I told Nande Kanu nga na okamwolo herena comply with the Nigerian government so that can happen ijenga. After watching that video, I stopped watching your page. Why I bring this video is that for those of you that are rejoicing over people's death, rejoicing, thinking you're working with the Nigerian government. Now, are you still with the Nigerian government working with them, or are you leaving them alone? Are you going to believe them now, whatever they tell you? The first time Nigerian army put a why Igbo gentle. According to them, they said the gentle Yahoo is in their custody then. I was the first person that came and said, show us their corpse. Because I know you people. Show us these people's corpse if you did it. Because I know whatever these people are saying is a typical lies. Their propaganda is too much. They are lying. They cannot tell you the truth. Everybody see. So why gentle and then Makeup? I told you people that don't believe these people. Don't believe them. They are liars. The only thing they know how to do is to bribe. Only thing Nigerian government knows how to do is to just to bribe. So to cover evil, this is the only thing they know to. They came to Biafra land, started killing innocent people. Started killing a lot of people. Started killing innocent people. Why people that is against Igboland no na bagare? E na achụwarị ndị onwere ihe ha mere. Na-ebodo people aka ha dị ọcha. Why I'm making this video for these people is that are you people are still interested to work with Nigerian government? Shame on you people. Even Iken Guru brought some picture online. Even I even speak on that video say no man trust 155 million is ancha. I just laugh at this guy. You people, shame on you people now. Are you still mounting 10 million on their head? Whoever that bring them. According to you people, I just, when I look at you people, I said, if you think when you work with these people, you benefit something, you benefit nothing. They can, number one, they can never tell you the truth. They can never tell you the real thing that is happening in Nigeria. They only after Igbo. They are only after Igbo. Only Igbo me they are against it. Even when Jagaban made a speech, also now they are working tirelessly to deal with ESN terrorists and deal with this one in Igbo land. But he didn't mention North. He didn't mention the Boko Harams. He didn't mention the bandit terrorists. It's only in the Igbo terrorists. Only in this country, Kafunos also Eastern part were terrorists. They quickly ran to court without level or ESN, IPOB, a terrorist organization. But people they're supposed to do that on, they leave them, negotiating with them, paying them. Why I bring this video for those of you that are still interested in working with the Nigerian government because of Igboland, because of the little money they are paying you people, because what they are giving you, it cannot benefit you. Take it or leave it. Biafra will come one day, and I would like to know you people's fate then. Biafra is coming, and it must come one day. Then I will know your fate. For those of you that is after their brothers and their sisters, for those of you that are stabbing their people, I will know your fate. I will know your fate then. I don't want to talk too much, but why I want to make this video, I have a question. Are you people still interested to work with Nigerian government? Because they are all liars. They are all deceivers. They came to social media, told us they've eliminated these people. Is it not them that talking now? Is it not them that saying something now? Is it not that speaking now? So how can we believe you people again? How can we believe you people again when you come out and tell us you kill this one, you kill this one? How can we believe you people? We can't believe you people because we know that you people are typical liars, deceivers. The only thing you people knows how to do is how to bribe, how to steal money, how to steal money and bribe people. That's the only thing Nigerian government know how to do. I pity you that work with Nigerians government. When you work with them, you came back with shame. Shame on you people that is after your brothers and your sisters. Shame on you people that is against Biafra. Shame on you people that said a vow that Biafra will not come. What are the benefits are you people getting from Nigerian government? Nothing. Nothing. P2B won 2023 election. Did they give them? P2B won 2023 election. Did they give P2B? They did not give him because they vow they will not allow Igbo man to rule this country. And P2B are still coming out for that thing again. Why can't you go and rest? You're still coming out. Why you know they cannot give you? You won in 2023. They didn't give you. And you're still coming out now. Shame on you people that is after Biafra. Shame on you people that said Biafra will not exist. Shame on you people.